before the concert. Pero I remember, na sinasabi ko, parang nag-stop ako, parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung weight loss. Paano nagawa yun? Like, did you alter your diet and no rice or?
No, actually, I was eating regularly. I was eating regularly. I was just.
So parang yung ginawa niya na Dean or yung Ultimate Sexy Solutions na gano'n, parang yung effects niya is longer than the time period.
Kasi pa ngayon. Mas maliit pa ako ngayon kasi yung concert ko. Kasi.
And wala kang ginagawang special anything?
Well, actually now I'm back with the
Juice at Lush. Okay.
Pero, even before, kasi kailan ako like 2 days ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm smaller now than sa concert. Kasi halos ano na ako, sa concert mga size 6 ako yan. Ngayon nasa, yung alanganin.
Oo, in between.
Nasa 5.
Correct.
Hindi na ako medium eh. Kasi yung medium sa akin,
Stretch.
na eh.
Happy so proud. Okay. O, ano ba? Okay na ba? Is there anything else? Or share pa ba?
Magte-thank you na.
Sige. Or, hindi ko na-introduce siya na mag-thank you.
Bye for the Thank you very much, Krista.
You're welcome.
Your help, for your support. Kasi talagang grabe yun. Meron parang feeling ko meron
May cheering squad eh, no? At hindi lang yun, may Twitter support, lahat kami, kaya mo yan.
I know. So it was actually very exciting. Nakikita ko na, tapos nasusuot ko yung jeans ko. It was so exciting. So, and thank you so much to Sexy Solutions. Sobrang big help. And, syempre, iba naman ako tignan na asawa. Pero, parang hindi ka naman nakaka.
Nandun na naman ako. Parang mag-second baby ka na naman.
Alam mo na. And syempre, nagta-thank you ako kay Nadine. Sobrang, it was also fun working with her. Tsaka tinutukan talaga ako, may email ako to remind me, dami. And the just really work. And syempre sa Sexy Chef, malaking tulong din sila sa akin. Syempre, the work. Super thank you.
I mean, si Reg, she's been with us since ilang taon ka ba?
25 years na rin.
25 years? Serious? Kasi si Tito Ronnie, yung oh my God, you're 16.
25 years na
Si Tito Ronnie is yung kapatid ng dad ko. So, siya yung nag-discover and naging manager ni Regine. Siya yung nagdala kay Tutor.
Wala pa yun. Ano pa lang siya? Derma pa lang siya.
Exactly. Wala pang live.
Wala pa na. Nag-aaral pa lang siya.
So, yun. Ikaw talaga yung ultimate Bella baby. I love it. But anyway, thank you, Reg, for being a part of this and for doing such a good job shoot. And we're looking forward to your next concert. May date na ba?
January 5.